Yes, ma'am.
Can
We
add
started
knowledge
recording
for
the
the
session
same.
right now, so we can begin.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Astra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, hi. Good morning to all of you.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So it's nice to, come on this platform wherein we will just, speak about some Zen philosophy. So before I, start with Zen philosophy, are you aware that there is a philosophy called Zen, or we call Buddha philosophy? And what is the
Yes.
basic essence of this
Yes, ma'am.
philosophy? Yeah. Can anyone just tell me? What are the basic or core component, okay, of Buddha philosophy? And it has a very close association or resemblance with our philosophy, Hindu philosophy. Okay, so just I would like to tell you one or two gems, okay, about the Zen philosophy or Buddha philosophy. The basic, element around which the Buddha philosophy or Zen philosophy, move around or concentrated is internal peace. Basically, the Zen philosophy focuses on internal peace and accepting the life as it is there. Okay, so we are just focusing, or the Zen philosophy tells or it emphasizes on internal philosophy, internal peace. So here what normally happens is, if we are peace, if we experience the peace internally, automatically the world will look beautiful. If you have anxiety, if you have expectation, if you have fear, if you have anger, all these are what? These are controlled variables. These are individual controlled variables. If we are going to control these variables which are within us, so these are the poisonous things which do not only disturb us, but it also disturb others. Okay, and it pollute the entire environment. That is what is the core essence of Buddha philosophy. So what it says that you should first attain the internal peace so that you can make the environment beautiful, the environment peaceful, or the environment a place to live happily. This is what is the core element of Buddha philosophy. If I relate this with the Hindu philosophy, okay, we call Shadaripu. Okay, what is this Shadaripu? Kama, Krodha, Mada, Massa, Dambha, Lobha. Okay, these are the Shadaripu. Means what? These are some of the elements or human emotions that destroy the individual. Okay, and Buddha says the same thing, or Zen philosophy says the same thing. There is a close relationship or close association of these two when it comes to attaining the internal peace. The first gem that I loved the most in the Zen philosophy was, it is just making yourself feel that you are the best. Why we are best? Each individual, okay, normally what happens is we fail to accept. I am a marketing teacher, okay, I me or Astra, we study too much of behavioral sciences. What we speak, I want to be better, okay, I want to be fairer, I want to be most beautiful, my eyes should be like this, my skin should be radiant, my hair should be silky, my height should be tall, my waist should be 22. All these are what? These all are the expectation that we have about ourselves. Okay, the Zen philosophy, what it says is, be yourself. Okay, be yourself means accept however you are. Okay, whether you are fat, whether you are slim, whether you are dark, whether you are lean, whether you have scanty hair, whether your complexion is not good, whatever it is, you just be yourself. The reason is, you are the most beautiful person on this earth. Why he said this particular thing is because there is no other person or there is no other creation just like you in the entire universe. Okay, that means what? You are only yourself or only one of your kind. That is the most beautiful thing for any individual on this earth. There is no another Asra, there is no another KK, there is no other Sarah. You are unique in yourself. You are best in yourself. That's the reason you are the most beautiful. This is not only applied to me, Asra or Shreyank or whatever. Okay, I don't remember your names because I'm not in touch with you. That's the reason I'm giving the examples of the people around you. Okay, so you yourself is most beautiful person. And remember one thing, when you accept yourself, okay, completely, it enlightens the happiness within you. It enlightens, it gives you immense happiness. So this is the best thing that I have seen in the Zen philosophy, the most beautiful gem of the Zen philosophy. So each one of you, irrespective of your size, irrespective of your mental ability, irrespective of your complexion, irrespective of your intellectual level, you are the most beautiful person on this earth, because there is no other creation like you. That is the reason you be yourself, you accept yourself completely. That's the most beautiful part of happiness or component of happiness. This is the
Ma'am,
first Zen, gem that I wanted to share.
ma'am, I have
Yeah,
a
tell
doubt.
me, Malvika.
Ma'am, you are fat.
Tell me, Malvika.
We are fat. Then
You are
many diseases will come, no, ma'am. Then we have to be,
Malvika, you are not audible.
ma'am, we are fat.
Malvika, type just okay. So
Malvika, if
what?
you don't mind, just type the question in the chat box.
Yeah,
Once ma'am completes the session, she will take up your question. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
right, Malvika. Thank you very much. So this is the first gem that I wanted to share with you. That is what my contribution. Now I would like you people to speak on this. Asra madam, do you have something to say on this?
I think we'll allow the students to talk because right now we are having just another 5 minutes. So can we take Malvika's question now, ma'am?
Right. I know, I know.
Malvika, can you
Yeah,
ask your
please.
question now?
उसको टाइप करने के लिए बोल देना यार.
Typing, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Any other person? Any other student?
Yes, anybody would like to ask any question or would you like to share something? Or even if it is contradiction, it's fine. Anything that you really wish to talk about
Yeah,
regarding,
definitely. Okay.
regarding Zen philosophy, anyone would like to talk? Bhavya,
Ma'am, I do not know to type in the chat box.
Malvika, you ask Malvika, it's okay. I think now the network is little better. You ask your question, Malvika.
Ma'am, we are fat. We have to become slim, no, ma'am. Or else many diseases
Why do
will
you
come,
want to be
ma'am.
slim?
Huh?
Why do you want to be slim? Why do you want to be slim?
Or we need sleep because 90% of accidents will come at without sleep.
Sorry, I could not get.
No,
Ma'am, without
I
sleep,
could not hear you
90% of
properly.
accidents will occur, ma'am. So we
no,
need sleep.
she's saying you're
According to the
talking about being slim, isn't it, Malvika?
yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, what is she saying is she's saying that we have to become slim. We cannot remain fat because we get a lot of diseases. So that is what she is saying.
Okay, okay.
So we can
So here, your expectation is, yeah, right, right. I'll just, come to your the same question. Now, Malvika, first thing is the internal peace heals most of the diseases. Okay, first thing. Okay, second thing, when you have internal peace, the anxiety which releases lot of chemical and damages your health is the most dangerous thing. So third thing is you need not have to, target at slimming, but you should target at being fit. Okay. Slimness is always not equated with fitness or wellness or healthiness.
Okay, ma'am.
Remember this thing. Okay. So always address your health issues. Okay. Address, and trust me, the moment you start healing your mind, the moment you start generating the internal peace, that will start the healing process of most of your physical problem. If your mind is peaceful, definitely it will reduces lot of problems, physical
Lot of
problems, all problems.
mental
Yeah,
and
tell.
physical, both, ma'am.
Yeah, internal healing is the first stage towards the physical healing. Okay, mind is the most important element which we need to control. It is very difficult. It is very difficult to control, but we need to control the mind. Okay, that is what is the Zen philosophy says. So the first thing what he says is you accept yourself. Okay, you accept yourself. It doesn't matter. Okay, I have seen many fat people who are very healthy. Very healthy. Okay, so don't equate your fatness with healthy this thing.
But my
Okay.
fatness is not healthy, ma'am. I'm very sad about it. So,
Malvika, actually, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so just accept yourself. The moment you start accepting your body, okay, that is your own body. When you accept itself, okay, however it is, okay, automatically you will work towards it. Okay, trust me, that is what is the definition of beauty. I always keep telling in the class. Okay, we all say, okay, she is dark, he is dark, okay, and she is a fairer. Are damn it, we all are tan. Okay, we all are tan, or we all are wheatish color. Okay, we are not blonde fair like European clads what we see, but still in that also we doesn't want to accept. Okay, and most of the time what happens is the marketing technique distinguishes between the people because they wanted to sell their product. I'm sorry, because being marketing person I'm saying this, but that is what is the fact. Accept your complexion, accept your physique, accept your look, accept your eyes. The most beautiful thing in the world or in the universe is you yourself.
ma'am,
Okay, yeah, tell me.
how to reduce our anxiety? How to reduce our anxiety and be calm, ma'am? Be
Actually,
calm.
early morning, just wherever I irrespective of the God, okay, just sit in the place where you find it's more peaceful. Okay, and close your eyes, control on your breathe. Okay, experience the inhale and exhale of your own breath, which normally we miss out. Okay, within 10 minutes you just focus on your breath. Within 10 minutes you feel your all thoughts will just vanish. The negative thoughts will vanish. Let the thought come and flow. Okay, let the thought come and flow. It will just move like a movie or screen like a movie, and after some time you attain that peace of mind, and when you open your eye you feel fresh. Okay, so just try out these things. Those who believe into puja, okay, do the
Yeah.
puja recently. Yeah, tell me, Malvika.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Who's this? Akash? Yeah, tell me,
Yes.
Akash.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for sharing such a wisdom with us, ma'am. So, ma'am, I have one
Thanks. Yeah,
question for you. So,
yeah,
ma'am,
tell me.
across the world, we have different kinds of meditation. Like, let's say in Buddha, we have
Yeah,
different. In Zen, we have different.
yeah,
When it comes
right.
to India, like Ramdev Baba follows a different meditation. Ravi
Yeah,
Shankar follows
yeah,
different. So, what do you
yeah.
think is the main or common thing in this meditation, ma'am?
The most important thing, Akash, on this in this universe is you choose which is going with your own mindset. Okay, we should individual see. I am Hindu. Okay, I get peace when I do some yoga or different kind of meditation. Okay, Sandhya Vandana, all these are my way of. Okay, those who are Muslims, trust me, the kind of 5 time namaz they do, that itself is a big meditation. Okay, then the Christians who do prayer in the this thing church, that also is a meditation. It depends on your mindset, which your mind accepts. So it is
Yes,
based
ma'am.
on your behavior, your cultural beliefs. That is what is the meditation. So you need not have to follow XYZ. You just follow your own soul.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
follow your heart.
Because I have been doing meditation from last 2 years, and whenever I
Mhm.
come across this different kind of meditations, I doubt myself, like if I'm doing it really effectively. So that is why I asked this question, ma'am.
No, you just follow your own way
But the
of
main correct, ma'am, but the
synchronizing.
main goal is to attain peace, no, ma'am, and to
Exactly.
control our mind.
Yeah, that is what is the most important. So if I listen at Ramdev Baba or Ravi Shankar or any other philosophy, if my mind reject, how will I attain the peace? Correct?
Correct.
So
So
I
the
should
route
listen at
is
my own soul.
correct, ma'am.
Yeah.
So the route is to attain peace, no, ma'am.
Yeah. It is
Okay.
just a piece. How you attain, that is different. Okay. What is the mode of attaining is different. I want peace. Sometimes I get peace. Okay. Just sitting in garden and watching the
Mhm.
flowers. That is my peace. Isn't
Yes.
it? So you just go with your own way of attaining peace. Sometimes I get peace when I cuddle with small toddler or a baby. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
So there are
Ma'am,
different
I
modes.
would,
There are
yes,
different
ma'am, but
modes.
on this I would like to add something. There is a book which is called
Yeah.
there is a book on Zen, ma'am, on Zen philosophy. So I would like
Yeah,
to
Zen. Yeah.
I guess would have read it, but this is for everyone. So
I
I guess
just
everyone should.
discussed the first,
Uh,
yeah, Akash,
yes,
that is the first gem what I shared with you guys is from Zen book. Okay.
correct.
So that is the first gem that we just now discussed. Okay. So in a month or so, we will discuss only one bit. We will not,
Fine.
stuff with too much of things.
I'm just suggesting the book because like no one might not be aware of that book. So that is why I'm saying. So
Yeah.
this book has been written by a Japanese monk. So guys, please,
Yeah.
everyone, if you get a
Daniel
chance to
Levin.
read. Ah, yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Akash,
Please
for
read it.
sharing the book.
Yes.
Right.
I asked ma'am, can I ask question for Akash, ma'am?
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, ma'am.
Tell me.
Have a good day.
God
Akash,
bless you.
any audiobook is available in Google like that, except Audible.
Like there are numerous audiobook available. Audiobooks, not only audiobooks, there are also books in PDF format. It only needs a person to search that.
There
I
is
have one
lot of.
website. Yes, there are a lot of resources where you can get audiobooks or books in PDF also, absolutely for free. So there is one website. I will be sharing with you after the class.
Thank you,
Right.
Akash. Thank you for doing that. Yeah,
Thank you.
please share it.
Thank you.
I think Bhavya has a question. Bhavya, can you quickly ask your question?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Good morning, KK ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Yeah. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
my question is, what is enlightenment according to you, ma'am? Like, when do you feel like a human is enlightened?
See, actually, there are different stages in attaining peace. Okay. Enlightenment is the last stage. Okay. Wherein your all emotions are within your control. Okay. No element in the external world disturbs your state of peace. Okay. That is enlightenment. You think beyond your individual physical, mental, economical, levels. That is what is enlightenment. And it is very difficult. Okay. So monks, sadhus, okay. So those are the people who are enlightened. We cannot, we are normal human being. It is very difficult to reach to that stage because, as I have told you, we all are laced with wants. Okay. We all are laced with lot of wants. Want for money, want for looking beautiful, want for status, want for job, want for car, all these are there. When we overcome all these stages, that is the stage wherein we attain or we become enlightened. Okay. It is very high level of attainment of self actualization. Okay, that is
Yes, ma'am.
very highly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Emotion, ma'am.
I think
Ma'am,
she got logged out, I guess.
ma'am, thank you for this session, ma'am. But how to control our emotions, ma'am?
One second, Malvika. I think Adamni ma'am has got logged out. Um,
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have to take vaccination. That's why I call in between. Yeah. I think, did I answer your question, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other
Ma'am,
question?
how to control our emotion, ma'am?
Actually, it is very difficult phenomena. Okay. But you can definitely make an attempt to control your, emotions through meditation. Okay.
Ma'am,
It is,
sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. I would like to
yeah,
add
tell me,
something
Akash.
on this.
Huh.
Malvika, in order to control your emotions, you got to be aware of yourself. Now, you can't control your emotions like in 1 or 2 days. So you have to have an awareness of yourself, and whenever you feel down or whenever you feel sad, you should know how to control. I mean, you should have the awareness, and that awareness cannot be achieved in 1 or 2 days. So only
It's a
thing is
long
you
process. Yeah.
yes, ma'am, and you can
It's a
do that
long
through
process.
meditation.
Yeah. One more thing, you all are very young people. Okay. All you just are into your 20s. Okay. Always remember there is one more philosophy, Osho philosophy. Okay. What he says is allow your emotion to flow off. Once if you release that particular specific emotion. Okay. But you should always remember that when you are releasing your emotion, it should not hurt the sentiments of other people. That is what is the Osho philosophy says. So always remember, sometimes you release your emotion, you just experience that emotion, just ensure that that emotion is released smoothly, so that your burden of carrying that emotion will reduce. And normally what happens is it will reduce your anxiety. Okay. And you at your stage, you need not have to control all emotions.
ಜಗವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗಿರಲು ಇವನೊಬ್ಬ ಎದ್ದ.
Shashank, just mute yourself. Okay. And when you are in the group, okay, just have little bit of sense of responsibility towards the group. Okay. That was really a very bad behavioral display that you have displayed just now. Okay. I can even talk on Basvarna philosophy or, this philosophy. So let us mind our responsibilities in the group. Right. So let us, go with the Zen philosophy's first gem that we have shared. Anyone wants to share something? Anyone want to share something? So let me conclude then. Shall I conclude?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So thank you very much for listening at me, and don't always try to, reach the enlightenment stage at the first. Okay. Go slowly. Okay. Try to try to control your anger. Try to, when you speak, just now Shashank spoke something, correct? It was very impulsive. When you want to talk something, just pause, think, then you speak. That is the first level of, mental peace. So let us follow some of the things, and trust me, these Zen philosophy are followed across most of the, corporate sector in order to attain the desired results. Okay. So that is one aspect that I would like to share with you. I thank all of you to listen me carefully and cooperating with me. So this is what is all about today's, a short session on Zen philosophy. Okay, thank you very much. Over to you, Asra, to have a concluding remarks and close the session.
Hello.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
somebody is saying something? Yeah.
Ma'am, this is Shashank, yes, ma'am.
Who's this?
Shashank, yes, ma'am.
Shashank Hedi?
Ma'am, I'm on mute from the beginning itself, ma'am. It was some other Shashank, yes, ma'am.
That is
Some
what
other
I did not
person-
say. Shashank is Shashank C. Okay, Shashank C
CD boy.
was,
CD boy.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So to clear it, I just told him.
No, not you, Shashank. Okay, CD. Some CD was there. Okay, it is
Okay.
really a
Thank you.
nuisance. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you for precious session, ma'am.
Yeah. Over to you, Asra. Asra ma'am is there?
Sorry,
Okay.
I have muted myself and I'm talking. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking time out of your busy schedule and scheduling the session. And I think amidst the hectic classes, this was like a stress buster to all of us, including me. So thank you so much once again. And I think everybody has a lot of takeaways from today's session, and probably they'll look forward to more of such sessions in the future. So please do schedule such sessions even in the future, ma'am. It will be better.
Sure, Asra. Thank you, Asra. Thank you,
Thank you.
all boys and girls. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. So now
Thank
you can go back to your
Thank you,
respective
ma'am.
classes. Whichever class is scheduled right now, please log into that session. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.